Hi everybody, it's Carla from MooreTalkJa, and I'm here with my day 11 offering for my 30-day creative challenge. Before I start, I want to thank everybody who is watching these videos. I actually didn't expect anybody to watch the poetry videos. Thank you to everybody who's watching them and sharing them and giving me feedback, and special big ups to the people who have decided to join the challenge. I'm really glad to have you on board with this and to see, what we can push ourselves to create. This one is called Walking Tears. I am not certain that's the final title, but that is what I have right now. So me get you some Miss Helly, I'm not charge no tax. So now I'm going to read it. So Walking Tears. Cry and keep moving. That is a woman way. Bawl if your knees don't buckle. Sob and stay on your feet. Cry if you must, but always keep moving. When she passes, the one before you or the one before that, back stoop, scalp oiler, cook the chicken at X degrees, head rubber and heart soother, she, when she passes, cover her body with cloth clean, call the funeral home and wait. And when they come, walk her out, walk the family through. Walk up the center aisle amid tears and Sunday perfumes and say a word to send her home. Cry while you are walking, cry while you speak. Cry even as you are sleeping and awake to salty memories of her absence, but always keep walking. When he leaves you, the one you pinned too much to, the one you thought would call, the one who came for you like a lion and slithered away under the door when you weren't looking without even breaking the seal, the one who unsealed you, blowing hot words like solid promises, evaporating as they appear, the one you waited for and found, but still you were wrong. When he leaves you, cover your face with water and turn it towards the sun. Call the friends and break the news, we've lost another one. Community heartbreak, communal hope. Roll the inches across your bed, imagine it an ocean blue, and swim away from here. Cry while you are calling. Cry as you swim. Cry even as you are sleeping and awake to the salty emptiness of your home and maybe the fullness of your womb. But always keep walking. This is woman land. And while there are seats here, there are more weary feet than chairs, and families, nations, entire universes balance in the creases behind your knees, and you must lift your leg and carry them, shuddering and tear streaked, and even sometimes in a crawl. Walk and cry and go. So that was Walking Tears. That was number 11. Remember to subscribe to my blog, MooreTalkJa.wordpress.com. Like me on Facebook, facebook.com/MooreTalkJa, or follow me on Twitter at More Mayhem. So as I said, I'm not going to post all of these, but I am enjoying posting them and I'm really enjoying the feedback. So thank you everybody for supporting me, and goodbye.